The UK Scale-Up Visa, your fastest pathway to a UK career and permanent residency. The Scale-Up Visa is designed to attract skilled professionals to fast-growing UK companies. To qualify, you need a job offer from an approved UK scale-up company for a highly skilled role. Minimum salary requirement, £36,300 per year, or the going rate for your occupation, whichever is higher. The visa targets growth sectors, tech, fintech, life sciences, where your skills and experience can drive innovation. After 6 months with your sponsor, you gain full freedom to change jobs, start your own business, or work for yourself. You can bring your spouse and children with you on this visa. They can study or work in the UK. The Scale-Up Visa is issued for 2 years, with an additional 3-year extension possible for eligible applicants. Continuous employment, self-employment, or business activity is required to qualify for the visa extension. After 5 years in the UK, you become eligible to apply for permanent residency, also called indefinite leave to remain. You must meet specific criteria for ILR, including minimum salary, continuous residency, and knowledge of English and UK life. Dependents have access to state education and the NHS, ensuring your family's well-being and growth in the UK. From 2025, settlement rules may tighten, including revised salary thresholds. Stay updated to avoid surprises. Check official UK immigration sources regularly. Prepare well to make your application process smooth and stress-free. Is the Scale-Up Visa your next career move? Plan ahead and unlock your UK potential today.